Ever feel like your money just slips away without you noticing? Meet Buck, trying to make every dollar count. Mistake number one, spending without thinking. Daily coffee, online shopping, takeout, movies, it all adds up. Your hard-earned money disappears. The fix? Pause. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Even a small pause can save big headaches. Mistake number two, no financial goal. Without direction, your money just wanders. Set a clear target. Confidence comes naturally. Mistake number three, only saving, never investing. Keeping money in a piggy bank, under a mattress, or a savings account won't make it grow. The fix? Invest wisely. Watch your money rise over time. Mistake number four, following the crowd. FOMO, fear of missing out. People buy, invest, or sell without thinking. The fix? Step away. Make your own decision. Calm confidence wins. Now, Buck is confident. His money works for him. You can do the same. Take control of your money. Start today. Step forward with confidence. Your financial journey begins now.